So I have here the Eachine EAT06. Very cool looking. So let's crack this open and check it out. Ooh, it has doors that go up. Need a screwdriver to get in here. You have the EAT06, you have the controller. And then here we have these boxes where I got everything out. I don't see a battery or a charger anywhere. So I'm hoping it's in here. Ah, yes. There we go. So we get a 7.4 volt, 1200 milliamp hour lithium ion battery with the mini Tamiya plug. And then there is our balance lead USB charger. Looks awesome with the tracks. Love the fact that the doors go up like that. So I do see lights here and an LED light bar right there. So it says it has suspension, and it does. It's not very good suspension. Like, it doesn't travel far, but it does have suspension. The controller is a very basic controller. You only have left and right, and then throttle, forward and reverse. That's it. And then the power switch right there, and that's it. There's no trim, nothing like that. You just get turning and throttle. And we have to put 3 AA's in. And one thing I don't like is the power button is right here on the bottom, like right in the middle there where it could get hit by stuff. But let's turn this on. There we go. Oh, nice blue lights there. Got some flashers here. Oops. So when you turn the wheel, you can turn in place like that. Whoa. So I got this on Banggood for, it was like $45. And I thought, that's a great price. But they even lowered the price now, and it's down to 35 bucks on a flash deal. But let me get this battery charged up, and we're gonna take this out and just do whatever with it. It is time to test out the EAT06. Let's see how good it does. Turn that on. Okay, we're ready to go. Let's see if we can get through this thick leaves here. Oh, really? Oh no! Seems like it's a little top heavy on the side. Okay, no problem there. Going right through the thick leaves there. I don't think it's gonna scale this. This looks way too steep. Nope, not doing it. Still pretty cool. Nope, not a lot of grip with those tracks. Maybe if I come over here. Nope. Oh man, this rock is kicking my butt. Nope, not getting over that rock. Let's take this up. Let's check the pavement here. Oh yeah, it goes good. And then the turning. That's full turn to the right, and then full turn to the left. That's at full speed. Let's check the grass out. Yeah, it powers through the grass. I can tell you right now that this thing is working a lot to move those tracks. I really don't think it's gonna have that long of a runtime with that small of a battery. But you know what? It wouldn't be a trip to the dam if we didn't try and climb it with this. So let's do that before this dies. So if you don't know where I am, then you're probably new to the channel, because I have tried to climb this dam so many times. I even jumped it. I jumped this spillway with my X-Max. Check out that video. But we're here to see how good this does. I really don't think it's gonna do it. We saw earlier how that rock, it struggled to get over that rock. So this is most likely a wasted attempt. Yep. It's too top heavy. So let's run this thing until the battery dies, because I'm curious as to how long this will run, and then I'll tally up the time at the end of this video that I had this running, and I'll give you a run time. I can tell it's starting to slow down now. I'm gonna run around a little bit, see if it gives me a low voltage. Oh, I think it is actually. The LEDs in the front, right there, those blue LEDs. They were flashing. They're only flashing when I'm driving though. See, when I stop, I think it's because I'm not using voltage, and it's definitely slowing down. it's barely, oh, there it is. That is low voltage cutoff. So I'm gonna put the runtime up here. I'm gonna add up all the clips of this running. I did all this video all on one battery. As I expected, it wasn't going to be that great of a runtime just because of the size of the battery. A little disappointed that it didn't come with more batteries, so that way you had a little bit more time to rip this Ripsaw. It's a little top heavy, and this is not waterproof, and I wouldn't run it through the water just because you have the switch here for the power, and then right here's the battery, and it's not a sealed battery compartment, so water can get in there. I would keep this out of the water. This is one cool little tank, if you want to call it. This would do so good indoors on like the carpet or cement, or even on the pavement here. It did really good on the pavement. I'm happy with how it performed. Usually I just review these and then box them back up, most of them. This one I think I'm gonna keep out and put it on the shelf. This is a cool RC. But thanks for watching this video. If you made it this far in this video, go ahead and click that like button. And if you're not subscribed yet, then click the subscribe button down below so you can join me when I check out the next ready to run RC.